evening, guys. Welcome to my channel, Great Shining Star. Keshai Sogli, Sosmata, Dia Kurpen Sogli, Bori Haimu. I'm Chingoinkara Keshai. Right now, I am in Calcutta. Today, my son is leaving, and he will be going by flight because while coming, we came with a train and it was very much hot. So we have decided while going back to Goa, we have to go by flight. So everybody will be going by flight. Since Hello guys, good afternoon. Kesha Sogali, Jaylee. Hope you all had your lunch. Sorry. Huh? Kids all hota. Hali like guys. Right now, my son is gone on the airport to go Goa, and just now I came at my brother's place. I did the checkout of the hotel, and I came here at my brother's place. Hello, good evening, guys. Here at last, it's a heavy raining in Kolkata. You can see over here, and I'm very much happy it's raining over here because it was very much hot, very much hot. Even the Bobby is happy over here by looking at the rain. Hello guys, just now I got the message that my son reached safely at home. Thanks for all the prayers because he's gone first time by flight and he was very much happy and he enjoyed his journey. Guys, see the cats at my brother's place. One, two. Then near the bucket one is there and one more. I don't know where she's gone. Pussy, 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 Pussy. It's heavy raining outside, but brother, Bhaiya, Bhabi, they want to take me out in the market somewhere. Let's see where they are taking. बोला है थोड़ा वो टैक्सी वाला मिलता है तो देखो करके नाउ वी आर टेकिंग अ मूव टू गो मार्केट हाँ 6 बजे बोला मैंने It's heavy raining over here. See the rain. It's heavy raining in Kolkata. Here Baba is gone and now it's my turn to go in the vehicle and to sit. We are going out in the market. This, so much water here. It's heavy raining. See guys, it's lightning, it's thundering. Everything is going on here. Bus, bhaiya.
मार्केट सबसे बड़ा रिटेल मार्केट है
ये वाला ना
गाड़ी रखने का जगह नहीं मिलता है
Good evening guys. Here is my elder brother. This is his chamber. And as I told you all that he is an advocate, he is doing his work over here. These are the law books or files, whatever he is solving the cases and all. Here you can see. Okay. See you guys here in my brother's office. You can see this, the antique clock, very old one. और मेरा भैया इधर काम करने के लिए अभी बैठा है कंप्यूटर पे. Hello guys. Everything is done. Today's day is over and it's night. So it's already too late, and early in the morning tomorrow I have to catch the flight. So do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Great Shining Star. Good night and God bless you all. Bye bye.